Here is this little pocket knife that was in my last tool haul. It was kind of rusted up and hard to get open, but after the first evaporous soak, I was able to get it open. Haven't done anything else to it. There's still some rust inside. It says, upon closer inspection, it says Cut Master, Utica, New York, made in USA. So I think I'll just make a little project out of this and see if I can make 357 Magdad proud of me. Into the bath you go, my little friend. Sorry about the fan noise, guys, but it's hot in here. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. There's some kind of crud in here. Let's see if I can get it out. I'm going to try some valve lapping compound. to see if I can clean up the insides of these things a little bit. Don't know if it's going to work or not. We'll see. Let's see if we can clean it out with this stuff. Oh yeah, it definitely helped. Much better. Here are the two pocket knives, guys. This one from Mr. George. It says Pakistan. It's stainless, and regardless, it's I think pretty decent quality because it's got a nice wooden handle on it. Stainless steel. Seems to be very substantial. Got the inside cleaned out pretty good. It really wasn't in bad shape at all when I got it. This one was rusted shut when I got it at the yard sale. I got most of the gunk out of the inside of it. You can tell it's been well used. This blade is pretty well sharpened away, but still kind of cool. Cutmaster, Utica, New York. I like them. I like them a lot. I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to add them to my collection of pocket knives. Got all kinds in here. 3 Boy Scout knives and all kinds of other stuff that I've collected over the years. You might find this interesting. I made this a few years ago. It's a letter opener that I made from a jigsaw blade and some tubing. Works great for opening letters. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next one.